No, no, no. Over here. Look up at the ceiling. Do you have it up there? Max, no, look it. Look it.
Look, Max.
Move it. Move it over. No, he can't see that. Move it over here. We have a laser dot on the ceiling. There you go. Look up, Max. Or put it on the wall or something. No, don't put it in his eye. I was a little slow there on the reflexes. And you have to, he's a dumb cat. Go slow with him.
He is a dumb cat.
Alright, put it on the ceiling. That's why I got the camera out. Stop dicking around.
He won't look up.
Well, you gotta slowly trace it up the wall. Cause
That's
he's,
what I did before.
well, do it again, because he's
Well.
stupid. See? There you go. Why? Now he sees it. No, look up! Do it! Where'd it go, Max? What a dumb cat. Okay, I don't know who's dumber, you or him. Because I could have done this by now. Just don't put it on his face.
Oh, what's it gonna hurt if you can't see anything? That should only help. Thanks.
No. Max, go, look up at the ceiling. Where'd it go? No, stop coming over here. I don't want you. Oh. Damn it! Why do these things always have to happen when I have low battery? I want to film till it dies. No, don't make him play with those blinds. Neil. Or I can't see him over there in the corner. You gotta bring him out. Sounds like that laser's dying. He doesn't see it. Oh, he does see it.
Oh no. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Don't put it on his head. Oh, run into the printer. A mess of wires.
I've never seen him do it that good though. When he was
I
doing
know. Max, go away. He's angry.
What's he doing?
I'm tearing up the mat. He did not like that. Don't make him get in.